The Masterclass program is a program that will upgrade each and every one of us, take us from where we are to the next level, from a roadside seller to owning a shop. The gospel needs money, and with the Masterclass, we will achieve all that we want to achieve for the sake of the gospel. Why should anyone be idle? Why should anyone be unemployed? Especially in this zone, because we have the tools, we have everything. Pastor has set up the foundation for us. All we need to do is be a part of this masterclass and start putting the building blocks. I'm so excited about it, and as I'm talking to you, the link to register is on the screen. You have to register, no matter the kind of business you want to do. Masterclass program is the place to make it happen.